If you're a fan of crypto and anime, then the token I'm going to be talking about in today's video might just be custom made for you. Luffy is a fairly new token just recently launched on the Ethereum blockchain. The token is designed specifically for the anime and manga community and aims to own the crypto market by leading the meme coin and anime token market. Make sure you keep watching this video to the very end because I'll be unpacking everything you need to know about this token in a matter of minutes. Don't miss a single second. Disclaimer. What's up, SHIB Army? Thanks for checking out the channel. As you know, I keep you one step ahead of the market by bringing you daily SHIB updates as well as information on the latest crypto gems newly launched in the market. And today, I'll be letting you in on the Luffy token, which might interest you very much, especially if you're into anime and manga. But before we get into the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. This way, you're the first to know once there's a new video up on the channel. That said, please note that this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do with your money. You are, therefore, advised to do your own research and speak with your financial advisor before parting with your hard-earned money. Also, the crypto market can be quite volatile, so be sure to only invest with money that you can afford to lose. And with that said, let's get into today's video. What exactly is Luffy, by the way? Luffy is the world's very first anime token, which was launched nearly a year ago in August 2021. Since its launch, the project has grown and evolved as the team seeks ways to make Luffy the #1 token in the meme and anime market. When initially launched, the Luffy token had 4 tokens in its ecosystem: Luffy, Chopper, Goku, and Deku. However, in April, the 4 tokens merged and migrated to become Luffy V2. Now, make sure to follow this video through to the end because I'll be talking about Luffy's tokenomics toward the end. But for now, let's take a brief pause and backpedal a bit to the story behind the Luffy project. As explained by the Luffy team, the Luffy ecosystem was built in order to create a safe and exciting community for investors and fans. This robust ecosystem consists of many different aspects which work together to grow the token and make investment profitable for token holders. We'll also take a tour of the Luffy ecosystem as we go on in the video, so be sure to stick around. Back to the Luffy story. Luffy prides itself in its 3 core values, which include community, transparency, and dedication. The Luffy team is not afraid to be 100% transparent with its community, so it operates an open-door policy where it keeps the community up to date with every progress made in development plans and marketing campaigns. The team is also big on education, ensuring that all members of the community are carried along and well-versed in all things crypto, regardless of whether they're novices or veterans. Another super impressive thing about Luffy is that it's more than just a project. Luffy is a fully fledged company. It is registered and has a well-experienced, fully doxed team that is handling business. So you could look them up for yourself and see if you're confident in their skills and experience before you invest. From the team's track records though, this is an A team. Since the token was launched in August 2021, the team has worked to deliver on each one of their promises, and so they've proved themselves credible and trustworthy over time. Now, while everything I've said about Luffy up to this point is truly commendable, what I find the most impressive is Luffy's passion for the underdogs. And I think you'd find this interesting too. Here's what I mean. According to the New York Times, anime is booming as an industry, but things have never been worse for animators, many of whom are living below the poverty line. In fact, many of them are beginning to call it quits because it's simply not worth it anymore. Let's talk about Mr. Ikatsu, for example. Mr. Ikatsu became an animator 8 years ago. The global anime market was a little more than half of what it would be by 2019, when it hit an estimated $24 billion. The pandemic boom in streaming has further accelerated demand at home and abroad as people binge-watch kid-friendly fare like Pokemon and cyberpunk extravaganzas like Ghost in the Shell. But little of the windfall has reached Mr. Ikatsu. Though working nearly every waking hour, he takes home just $1,400 to $3,800 a month as a top animator and an occasional director of some of Japan's most popular anime franchises. And it gets worse as the article on the New York Times reveals that Mr. Ikatsu is one of the lucky ones. Most lower-rung illustrators have to make do with as little as $200 a month, a far cry from over $65,000 annual wages that their counterparts in the United States earn. Instead of the global anime boom to help boost their earnings, it's only helped to widen the wage gap even more, leaving many discouraged enough to quit their jobs altogether. Obviously, something has to be done about this, and Luffy is hoping to correct this anomaly through the introduction of NFTs in its ecosystem. Considering the obvious, this is a smart decision. NFTs are all the rage right now, and artists are making millions from their creations. Beeple, for instance, the popular NFT artist, earned about $69 million for his last work. Of course, this is not the case for all artists. But with the backing of a community as strong as the anime community, artists will very likely be able to earn a decent living at least. Alright, now let's talk about the different aspects of the Luffy ecosystem. The anime marketplace is where artists and buyers get to meet and trade anime manga related NFTs. This could help struggling animators support themselves and live well. We also have the Anime Dex, where users can view live charts as well as other important information about any token or coin of their choice. The Crypto Academy educates both novice and veteran investors about all things crypto. And then there's the Luffy Metaverse, which has fast become a trend among crypto project developers looking to give their investors a slice of the metaverse boom. There are many other aspects of the Luffy Metaverse that you might want to check out, but I won't get into that now because of time. But I'll be sure to link to the white paper in the description, so feel free to check it out for more information about that. Moving on, the Luffy ecosystem also features an advanced DeFi platform called the Anime Swap. The platform has already been verified by Certicay, and so it's safe. Users will be able to stake their assets and mine liquidity to earn significant passive income. We also have Anime Mask, which is Luffy's wallet. It's a one-stop shop where you can enjoy first-class asset management tools, stake your crypto, trade NFTs, and utilize an array of payment options to buy crypto. And then, of course, there's Anime Chain, which I'm guessing is Luffy's upcoming blockchain. Not much information has been given about this product just yet. The team did say, though, that Anime Chain is the protocol which the Luffy team will be working on to connect all meme and anime tokens built on Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. But Luffy isn't camping on Ethereum alone. The project is spreading its tentacles to the fast-growing BNB chain through the creation of an Ethereum to BNB bridge set to be launched in May of 2022. Finally, let's take a look at Luffy's tokenomics, and then we can call it a day. Luffy features tokenomics, so there's a certain percentage of tax incurred when the token is traded. That is, whenever it's either bought or sold. Luffy comes with a 9% tax on all its transactions, and this tax is split 4 ways. 2% goes to marketing to give the token all the visibility it needs to attract more holders. Another 2% goes to liquidity, which helps to keep prices stable so that they aren't affected by sudden market moves. We also have a little something for holders by way of reflections. 3% of transactions, which is how you earn passive income just for hodling. And then the final 2% of the tax goes to burn. I know you probably like the sound of that as a Shiba Inu fan, so let's explore that a bit more. The Luffy team is very aggressive when it comes to burn. The team has destroyed 54% of the supply already and is looking to increase that to 70% by the end of the year. So, very likely, there might be a price surge for Luffy at the end of the year, which might make now the best time to buy and hodl if you want to enjoy some of those sweet gains. But of course, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research first. That said, Luffy is currently listed on 4 decentralized exchanges: Uniswap, 1inch, FEG, and SHIBASWAP. So it's within your reach if you're interested in giving the token a shot. The token is also available on about 11 exchanges, and more listings are coming soon, with rumors of Tier 1 listings to come before the end of the year. Now, if you put all these factors together, the 70% burn and Tier 1 listings at the end of the year, alongside the huge marketing campaigns the Luffy team is aggressively pushing right now, especially in Asia, we could easily conclude that demand for Luffy will spike soon. And with increased demand will also increase token price, which could mean significant gains for early holders. If you find this super bullish, then make sure you look in the description for all the relevant links so you can do your own research and catch up with all the latest updates in the world of Luffy going forward. However, for now, we'll call it a day, and I'm sure you found this video interesting. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. If you're a true Shiba Inu fan, then you must check out this video.